Okay, so I already put this on the screen, and this is the video from the elf video where people get to comment. Let's get the comments. We have over 30 comments, and let's start and pick a winner. Okay, Dia Anand, and she is the winner. Okay, so I went to go ahead and look. I actually paused the video, but I went to go ahead and look. I am not sure if it's the underscore and then the heart, but I thought there was gonna be an email, but I'm gonna go ahead and search her up real good. But if anything, can you please reach out to me and make sure to reach out to my Instagram? I'll make sure to be checking my spam messages just to make sure that you are the winner. And, but congratulations. I hope you guys really like this. There's going to be plenty more giveaways. And please, for the winner, make sure to reach out to me so we can handle the rest and I can go ahead and send it to you. But please, please, please reach out to me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. Usually these videos, I like to have them up on Friday, but I wasn't able to do that. So this video will be going up on Saturday. And I, of course, already posted the winner. Congratulations to the winner. I'll be definitely getting in touch with you. So you can go ahead and send me your location, your address, so I can go ahead and ship everything right away. One more thing I do want to mention is that since I did do a big order in the beginning of the month, it was literally like the first week of January, and I included orders like primers and like basically for the brows, so I can make sure I have everything set for this video. But unfortunately, I have not received it. It's been almost a month now, and I don't know when I'm gonna get it. So I am working with what I have, and there's certain things that I'm gonna be doing off camera, which I apologize in advance. And I hope you guys really enjoy this look. This is something that is out of my comfort zone, which is something I don't normally do on a daily basis, or even to go outside with friends. But I love to play with color and upload pictures, but it's something that I don't think I would wear outside, But I am ready to change that for this year because I do love to expand it and just try new things instead of staying with the neutral, earthy tones, nude tones, all of those tones that I really love. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And again, I apologize in advance for not having a giveaway for this video, but it's just that the order's delayed and I just can't do nothing about it. So let's just get to the video now. And for today's video, we're going to be using Beauty Creations. Now, let me just say, there are a couple things that I don't have. So as you can see, I actually did my brows for this video. There won't be a giveaway, but we'll try and figure out something out for the next video. So we're gonna start off with primers. So I'm gonna be using the poreless primer, which is this little one, and we're just gonna give it a try. And we're gonna apply this all over the face. The Flawless Stay Foundation, which is one of my favorite foundations, and we're gonna be applying this all over the face as well. So I highlighted off camera since they don't have a liquid highlighter. And we're gonna go ahead and use the Flora Bloom Highlight and Contour Palette, which looks like this. And we're gonna contour and highlight. I love to cream contour first, but since they don't have any creams, I'm just gonna go with powder. So we're gonna grab the middle shade, which is the white shade, just to highlight under the eye. And we're gonna apply that under. So it can look a little bit more showy. Now we're gonna go with a bigger brush and just contour our face, which I'm gonna use this shade right here. I'm not sure what's the name of these. They don't have any names. So we're just gonna go ahead and contour. We're gonna use the Nutcracker Shadow Palette. I believe this was either limited edition or a holiday collection. So we're gonna use these tones. I like this Prima Ballerina shade. It's like a light pink. So we're gonna apply that all over the crease. And we're just gonna use the mirror on it. So I'm gonna apply in circular motions. Again, like every other video I do, is I start from the outer to the inner in circular motions back and forth. Now what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to add Jingle Bells. Just this shade right here. Ooh, just like that. And we're gonna go with Ginger Snap, which is this one right here. And we're gonna apply that on our lids. And just to make sure that there's no other type of harsh lines, just go back with that same brush that you used for the darker tone and just blend it out. No harsh lines, no harsh lines. And now we're gonna go ahead and blush our face. And I'm gonna be using actually from, again, the Flora collection. This is the blush collection right here. So we're gonna be using these, super pretty, and I like these two right here. So we're gonna be applying those two together on the apples of our cheeks. And we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing underneath the lid, the same pink tones. That's pretty much it. And now for the inner corners, I'm going to be using Snow Queen, which is the white one right here. And we're going to be applying that on the inner just to give it that pop. And now for lashes, I am going to be using their lash line, which is the Beauty Creation Insta Famous. And it looks like this. So let's apply them. So now we're gonna do with lips. So I did do a lip liner just because I don't think they have lip liners, or I don't think I've seen lip liners, but I know they have liquid lipsticks. So I decided to get these little lippies. These are the Seal the Deal bold sets, and then they have the nude and the pinks, and I decided to get all three, but this one I just love it because it's a staple to having your beauty room. I feel like it just adds character into your room if you add one of these lips, and you actually can open them and store your lippies in here or whatever you like. So I think I'm gonna have to use this one just because, again, we are going with the pink look, so we want to make sure it all adds together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this, and I'll be right back. I'm honestly a nude gal, and for me, adding colors to my lips, I just find it a little weird. But it's not that bad. I really, really like it. The final thing we're gonna do is set our face, and I'm using their Feeny setting spray. So I know they have different smells. So I'm gonna be adding this one. I like to shake it and then just... If you don't like scents, then this is definitely not for you. But I believe this one is a Feeny scent, so it smells delicious. It smells floral. It just smells really good. So I really, really love this, and I love how it sprays. I don't know if you saw it, but it just looks really nice. But this is pretty much the finishing look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was really simple, not too much. Well, I mean, in the sense that it's pink, but I'm usually a nude girl, a natural girl, where I use brown tones, earthy tones. For me, pink tones and like all those bright colors, that's like stepping out of my comfort zone. So for me, this is a big deal, wearing color. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. Well, like I mentioned earlier, is that there's no giveaway going on for this video, so please keep that in mind. And I hope you guys really enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one.